Hello, teacher.
Hello, Potato. Good evening. Can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Can you hear me? Okay, where's your video? Can I see? Can you turn on your camera? Oh, there you go. All right, how are you today?
I am great.
You are great. And what did you do this morning? What did you do?
I go to school.
I went again.
I went go to school.
Not I went go to school. Only one. It's past tense. Went. You say, I went to school today. Again. I went. Potato, say it. I went to school.
I went go to school.
Oh, not go. I went because it's already past tense. It's because the action is done in the morning. So it's already nighttime. So it's past tense. Okay. There you go, Potato. Can you see teacher's screen?
Yes.
See it? All right. So what is Unit 5 all about? What's Unit 5 all about? It's about
And about the woman in the red dress.
okay. So today's lesson is all about Unit 5, and that is the woman in red dress. So you'll be talking about different types of clothes. So first, we have vocabulary words. Okay. Potato, can you see teacher's screen? Yes or no? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. First, what is the first picture? Potato. It's again, scarf. Again, scarf.
Scarf.
Okay. Where do we put the scarf?
Scarf.
Where do you put? Which part of the body we put the scarf? Where do we put the scarf, Potato? If we want to use scarf, where are we gonna put it
I
now?
know.
It's in here, in our neck. If it's so cold, we put scarf on our neck so that your neck will not feel the coldness. Okay.
Scarf.
Next, what's the second word we have? What's the second word? It's
Shoe.
sock. Again, sock. Again, sock.
Shoe.
Potato. Say it.
Sock.
Sock. Okay. Where do we put on the sock? Where do we put the sock? We put the sock where? Potato, where do we put the sock?
Put the sock in winter.
Oh, in the winter. Which part of the body we put the sock? Which part of the body do we put the sock? In our...
In our...
Do we put sock on our head? On our hands?
No.
Where?
And now we'll go to school.
In our go to school. Where do we put it? Do we put socks on our hands? Do we put socks on our
No.
hands? No. Where do we put socks? We put socks in our...
In our...
Where?
In our...
Where do you put socks?
I don't know.
In our feet. Right?
In our...
Before we put on our shoes, we put on socks first. Socks and then shoes. Okay?
Sock.
Next, what's this? Potato, what is that? That is a... What's that, Potato? That is a... boot. Okay, do you have a boot? Do you have a boot? No.
Boot.
Next, how about this one? What is this?
Shoes.
It's a shoe. Okay, do you have a shoe?
Yeah.
Okay, what color? What color is your shoe?
And
Color?
then blue and red and white.
Oh, it's too many. You have 3 shoes? Do you have 3
No,
shoes?
I
How
have
many?
one.
Only one, but
I
so
have
many.
one.
Okay, but many colors. Many colors.
Shoe.
Okay, next. Potato, what is this?
Sweater.
Sweater. Do you have a sweater? Do you have a sweater? Do you have a sweater? Yes. So if the weather is cold, we put on sweater.
Sweater.
How about this one? What is that?
Shorts.
Shorts. Okay.
Shorts.
Next, what is this?
Coat.
Coat. If it's winter, there's snow or very, very cold, and you want to go out, use coat.
Coat.
Next, this one. What's this?
Coat.
Okay, that is, no, the other one. The last one.
Last one. And shorts.
Okay. No, after shorts, we have coat.
Swimsuit.
Swimsuit. Okay, swimsuit is for? Why do we use swimsuit? We use swimsuit if we will go to
Into
go to
go to
where?
swim.
Swim. Okay. If the girls will go to the pool or to the beach, they wears.
Swimsuit.
Okay, another potato we have. What's that? What is that?
We have yeah, dress.
Oh, this is the dress, the first picture, the one
No,
yellow.
no.
Trousers. We have a pair of
Trousers.
trousers. Next, we have
Dress.
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 And last, we have,
Mm,
what is that? That is a
that is a t-shirt.
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 Correct. And last, we have, what's the last one?
Jacket.
Jacket. Okay.
Jacket.
All right. So here, potato, we have the word a pair of. If we use the word a pair of, it is used to describe trousers, jeans, socks, shoes, glasses. A pair means two. The one on the left and one on the right. That makes it pair. Okay, two. That is in English. And we think about wearing trousers and jeans on our two legs, the left leg and the right leg. That's why we say a pair of, because two, left and right. You also say, you also say a pair of socks, a pair of shoes, okay, and glasses. Okay, now here, potato. Look at here. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing shorts.
Shorts. What's the color of shirt? What's the color of your shirt? Blue and
Mogi dekat đọc tiếng Anh gì mày? Yeah, blue and gray.
okay, blue and gray. So you're wearing a blue and gray shirt. Okay, very good, potato. Now here, potato, I want you to draw lines. Try to find the words that are we
No.
use here.
No.
Oh, star. Can you find any words there? And then draw a circle. Encircle the letters to form a word. Okay?
Yeah.
Very easy. Go, take your time. I'll give you time to do it. Just like scarf. S-C-A-R-F. Scarves in circle. Okay? Find the words that we had a while ago.
A scarf.
Okay. How about the other words? There's still more words.
Boat.
Okay. Encircle the boots. Encircle the boots. Encircle the spelling.
Take a right. Take a right, okay?
Teacher will write. Try potato. Draw. Draw a circle.
Boat.
Good. Certified. Oh, very good.
With me.
It's so big, not so big. Make it a little. Okay, that's correct. What you're doing is correct, but make it a bit little, okay?
Boat.
Okay, very good. Next, find another word. You can do it. Okay, I'll give you time, potato. Just find it.
Yeah. Ôi, cứu à, phải ơi. Mẹ áo dài tiếng Anh gì? With me.
Okay, don't worry. I will wait for you. Take your time. Just find the word.
Ôi, bút cho trời. Bút cho. Ai da. Hello, bờ. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. 是我的外，我的父母，那有父母，那里，父。
Good potato. More.
I don't know it.
There's still more at the right side. Try to look at the right side. Don't worry, we still have long time to do it. Okay? Just take your time. Teacher will wait.
Jacket. Yeah.
I'll find the word coat, sock, short, shirt, There's no 2D. Oh, find the word
D.
shorts. It stops with
J.
socks. No, no, potato, no jacket. There's no word jacket there. Find socks, shirt, shorts, dress. There's still more. Oh, I can even see it. It's like vertical, up, going down. Look at the words or letters up, going down. It starts with letter S.
I don't know.
You want me to help? You want me
Yeah.
to give answers? Oh, look at here. Potato. What word is this? Potato, read. What's this? What's that?
Swimsuit.
Oh, this one ba? This one, the one I insert. Oh, this
Swim.
one. This one, what is this? This is a? What's that? That is a shirt. Again, what is that? Shirt. This one, potato. Potato, what's this?
Yes.
Okay, what's this? What is that? A coat. Again,
Help.
coat. Okay, this one, potato. What is this? Please read.
Shirt.
Hurt.
Coat.
This one, potato. What is this? What
Glasses.
word is this? Glasses. Potato, how about this? What's this?
Short.
A short. And how about this one? What's that?
Cap.
Cap. And how about this one? What's this?
Dress.
Dress. And lastly, last potato, what is this?
Trouser.
Very good. So as you can see, those are the words that we can find in this crossword puzzle. Okay, we have sweater. Wait. Okay, potato. All right, potato. I want you to write the names of this on the given picture. What's picture number 2? What's
I
picture
don't
2?
know.
What is this? Picture 2. It's a
Coat.
coat. Number 2 is a coat. Are you sure it's a coat? It starts with letter S. We use this if we want to go out and if the weather. Huh?
Shirt.
Is number 2 a shirt? Very
Yes.
cold. Use this one if it's very cold. It's called SW. What is that?
What? What's it?
Again,
Watch it.
think sweater.
Sweater.
Okay.
Sweater.
How about potato? How about you write the names of the pictures? Come on, write the names on the given space. Can you write? Potato, can you write? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay, number 3. What's number 3? What is number 3,
Coat.
potato? Coat. Next, how about number 4? What's number 4? 4, number 4. What's 4? Shirt. How about number 5? What's number 5?
Socks.
Sock. S. Okay.
Swimsuit.
Swimsuit. Next, number 7. What's 7? 7 is
7.
Yeah, what's number 7? It is a
Short.
short. Okay, short. How about number 8? What's number 8?
Boats.
Boots. Okay, boots. Okay, are you ready to check it now? Let's check.
Yeah.
Okay, look, number 1, sweater is correct. 3, you have coat is correct. 4, we have shirt is correct. 5, we have socks, correct. 6, number 6 is swimsuit. 7, we have shorts, correct. And lastly, number 8, we have boots. Okay, very good, Potato. You were able to give the answers in all of these pictures. Great job. Now here, Potato, try to look around you in your family. Who is wearing shirt today in your family, in your house? Look at the people in your house. Who is wearing a shirt today in the house?
What?
Okay. Who is wearing shirt today in your house? Is your mom wearing a shirt today? Is it your
No.
dad? No one?
Me.
You're
And
wearing.
my
Okay. And how about Potato? Who's wearing a sweater in the house today?
brother. Me and mom and my brother.
Okay. And how about socks? Who's wearing socks today in the house?
Yes.
Who's wearing socks today in your house? It's
And me.
you, Potato. Who else?
Me. My mom. My
Your
brother.
mom. Okay, 3 of you are wearing socks today. And Potato, what color are your socks? How about what color is your sock?
Red.
Red. How about what
No,
color?
no. Black and white.
Okay. How about your brother? What's the color of your brother's socks?
Red and blue.
Okay, red and blue. And here, have you got a coat with you today, Potato?
What? What?
Have you got a coat with you today, Potato? How about a
No.
coat? No. Okay. Next, how about...
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, yes? Okay, Potato, what are your favorite clothes? Can you tell me? What are your favorite clothes to wear? My favorite clothes are...
All favorite. I don't know.
You don't know? How about shorts? Do you like shorts to wear?
Yeah.
Oh, how about shirt? Do you like wearing shirt?
Yeah.
How about sweater? Do you like wearing sweater?
No.
No, so sweater is not your favorite. How about socks? How about socks, Potato? Do you like socks?
No. Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
also. Oh, yes. Okay,
Yeah.
yes. Okay. All right, let's move on. So here, Potato, there are few words that are still found in here in the crossword puzzle. Can you find the 5 words that are not yet found? Oh, 5 words. What are the other words that can still be found here in the puzzle?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, draw lines.
Hmm?
Can you still find words in the puzzle that it's not circled? Is there still words? Okay, what are the words, Potato? Can you encircle?
What?
Still words. Oh, for example, glasses. Oh, is there a glasses there? Oh, glasses.
Yes.
What else? Oh, what else, Potato? Find it.
I don't know.
Oh, how about still words? Glasses. And this one, what's this? Please read. Potato, what's this?
Glasses.
Again, this one, the second one, skirt. Again.
Skirt.
Okay, this one, what's this?
Cap.
Cap. This one,
Dress.
dress. And lastly, we have,
Trouser.
very good. All right, there we go. Let's move now to our next activity. Okay, trousers, skirts, glasses, cap, and dress. Okay, Potato, look at here. Number 1, please read number 1.
In the cold water, you can wear your dress. A crab.
Scarf, not scrap. Scarf.
A scarf.
Okay, next number 2. What's number 2?
Two. Leg is like a very long jacket with your can wear outside.
Okay, what's that? This is like a very long jacket which you can wear outside. What is that, Potato? A long jacket that you can wear outside. That is a
I it's
a long jacket that you can wear outside. What is it?
a long jacket.
Yeah.
You
It's
can ride.
yeah, what do you call to a long jacket that you can wear outside?
Yes.
What is that? What's the name of that long jacket? Looks like a long jacket that you wear outside. What's the name of that?
Winter.
Yeah, you use it during winter. What jacket do you wear during winter?
It is jacket.
Is it
Gray.
still a jacket?
No.
What is it? We call it, look,
Color red.
coat. Okay, wait, Potato, you enter again. Potato, the Zoom is about to close. Okay, enter again.